Starting recording. Go.
What's up, everybody? Ninja Daddy here. We at a friend's house and they bought an electric handheld chainsaw. It's like a battery powered. So I told them I'd do an unboxing and demo it for them. So, but yeah, they left it in the shipping package for me and everything. Alright. Sticker needs pressed on there. Came off. Alright. It's in a nice little case. This little UPC paper. Actually, put it up there. Can you see it still?
I can't. Yeah.
Alright, we got your little side handle here. Here's your main tool. Hey, at least it's already got the chain and bar attached. You ain't gotta do none of that assembly. It's a cool little cover. It's cute, huh? 6-inch. 8-inch bar, 6-inch cover. Or no, there it says 8-inch there. A little pair of gloves. A little miniature chainsaw tool, ain't that cute? You even get an extra chain. That's pretty awesome. A lot of stuff don't come with that. Instruction manual. Looks like they have a smaller version. SC 6B and an SC 8B. I guess the 6B would be your 6-inch. Use the 6-inch part. And this is the 8. Pretty decent manual. Got good color illustrations. Not bad at all. We'll put all this back. She was under the impression it came with 2 batteries, but I only see 1. 21 volt lithium, 10 PCS. I'm not sure exactly what that is. I'll have to educate myself on that. 4 amp hours. It's a decent battery for something that size. It should last quite a while, I would think. Whether it's fully charged or not, I don't know, but we're going to try it out the way it comes in the box. And since we don't need to do any adjustments, there it was back in here. Here's a pair of safety glasses. A little better than just standard. Got little rubber pieces on it. And then there's your charger cord. I'm under the impression you plug in this. There's a plug directly in the battery.
I know where.
You see it?
Plugs into here with that big long part on
Oh,
it.
there you go. We hit it right there. Let's see. It's gonna need some bar and chain oil. So let me go get some of that and we'll be back.
Yeah.
Alright. Sure it's back right there where it was.
I mean, I can see the stuff.
Alright. We don't have any bar and chain oil, but we're gonna use a little bit of corn oil. Hold it over here so if I spill anything, don't dump in our case. Does it got a thing to say when it's full?
Yep.
Definitely full.
It fills up quick.
Don't hope very much. got this little thing here.
It looks like you can pressurize it.
Do we got napkins in the truck?
Yeah, I'll go get the
She said she was gonna go get napkins. She said she was gonna go get napkins.
It's a good thing we didn't fill it over the case like Ron was showing you. Stop recording or still recording?
Still recording.
Thank you.
I mean, Mom will just
Get
cut it
cleaned
out.
up.
I'm just being nosy, seeing how it works. It didn't come with oil. I thought it was supposed to come with oil.
Nah, and there's one battery.
But it did come
But it
with.
is a decent sized battery. It's not like it's sort of like the impact driver I got. It came with a big battery and but only one.
Oh, darn.
It did come with
But it
gloves,
lasts,
safety
like,
glasses,
All day. Like this probably won't last all day, but it's gonna last a while for this little soft.
Okay.
and it also came with its own miniature bolt for its bolt, and it came with a extra chain.
Loose 2 screws before adjust tension knob. It says please read instructions before installation. But it's already installed, so I guess I ain't gotta worry about that part. You can hear it.
Ooh, I can see it.
I think it may be a manual thing.
Kinda need a battery.
Well, I mean a manual oiler is what I was talking about. Variable speed. But it is, I believe, a manual oiler, so you'll have to oil it when you think the chain needs lubrication.
Don't worry about this, man. The rain will take care of the rest.
Well, I guess we can go over here and try to cut some limbs. You can go ahead and cut it off for now.
Is there like a safety mode on it?
All right, everyone, we're trying to figure this thing out. We're gonna go for our first cut. Not horribly bad for such a thick piece of wood.
Pump some oil.
Yeah, we'll give it a little more oil, see what that does.
It's doing fairly good.
Really small branches, it zaps right off. Definitely good for like a mini pruner. So they got jammed in there. Yeah. I feel like sometimes I get. Maybe I need to put a little oil. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can see what you're doing at night. It even has a little light so you can that way. Pretty good. A little more oil. Oh, I hit the safety. It does have this safety here.
And get some close up.
One big piece of cut here. And it does seem to perform a little better if you let the wood rest up in there. But I do not see anything really protecting this LED when you're cutting through thicker stuff. So I don't know how that's going to work out long term. So far it's doing good. We tried on some live stuff.
I took a short little video to try and promote your channel.
You want this cut, right? Cut through the pine real easy. Watch the flip flop. That's how we do things around here. So far, no charge on the battery. What's out of the box, it is lithium ion. They can fully charge it, and it'll hold a charge for quite a while. Now, that's a good thing. Lithium ion, definitely a better battery than the old Neocads, metal hydrates. Grapevine. We're doing stuff like this. That's right through it. A good little hand pruner. I mean, it's not that heavy. The heaviest thing. I mean, it's a pretty good balance between the battery in here. I think it's a little heavier up here. But definitely if you got some small stuff, it'll zap right through it. Yep. I got it stuck again. Oil gauge, can you see what oil is? I'm talking to you. Can you see what oil is? Because I can't.
Nah, not really. Unless they're almost out of oil.
I hear it. All right. So far, I'm pretty impressed. For just straight out of the box, it's doing good.
That's why I was asking your son what you thought.
Yeah.
I was like, it got a clean cut and all.
This is SeeSii, model number SC8B, model DL07, made in China. But you see the, I'm going to put the safety on so I don't cut my finger off. And the chain is, and it could be because we ain't using the proper bar chain oil. But any new chain, even a steel or something, is going to stretch right off the bat. So it seems to be locked. Like the motor, if the motor ain't going, oh, I can push the motor. There we go. But yeah. You stopping? Oh. Alright, and then I think this is going to be my chain adjustment. I'm definitely not a fan of the manual oiler. I would be happier if it did automatic oil. But old school is better for price, I guess. At least they got the newer lithium-ion battery. But so far, I mean, we've cut with it. The battery hasn't even gone dead. It does have a battery indicator. So it must have been fully charged. And now we're down 1 bar. Don't get too close. We can always zoom in if we need to. Alright. Well, that's my review on it. I think it's worth it. What was the price of it? $100. So if you don't want something on gas and you just got little stuff here and there in your yard, you just want to take care of things on your own every now and again, I would recommend it. There's like another button here that says lithium power, but I can't get it to light up. I don't know. Maybe that part ain't functional. I don't know. There's a little button there, but it's not doing it. But yeah, so far the LED's still holding up. It'd be nice if they would have put like a little, maybe mini dogs there or something, and then that would have kept you from damaging the light eventually. But I'm going to tighten the chain up for her. It's not too bad, but I'm going to tighten it up and leave it to her. And then I can let you know what she thinks as a female homeowner who just wants to occasionally use a little handsaw. Peace out. We're going to tighten the chain up.
There's the dog.
Yeah, her name is Blue.
Lisa needs a little bit here.
Bluey.
Wake up, baby. Okay, vegetable oil.
Bluey, sit. Sit, you're gonna hurt his nail.
It took about 6 clicks of that to get it back tight. And a cute little tiny wrench. And it feels like Black & Decker style quality. But we did all that cutting and there's still oil in there. But I probably didn't quite oil as much maybe as I should have. But I mean, the chain technically didn't stretch that bad for all we did. And it does come with an extra chain. I didn't feel the need to use this. I don't feel that it has enough power to need this. I don't know, maybe some people will feel safer or maybe keep their hands away from the blade if they're using that.
Yeah.
You know, I was liking to hold stuff with my hand and just using this one-handed. It's not heavy, but I mean, somebody maybe not as strong as me, maybe a lady or something, but
An older person?
yeah, somebody elderly. But not a fan of this oiler. That's probably my main complaint. If they can make this thing automatic oil, because the people that you're advertising this to are probably not going to want to have to constantly oil it or know how oiled to keep the chain, to keep it, you know, good and all that stuff. So if they could upgrade that, I think for $100 it should have an automatic oiler.
Yeah.
But other than that, I really don't complain. It seems to have a good motor. It's zippy, variable speed, has a safety. You can go slower if you need to. And then safety, it has a where you can see the oil. But I don't know. It's hard to see the oil in there for some reason. It's not a very good window. But I guess this is somewhat of a dog for it. But and then my other complaint is it don't have any little itty bitty dogs, or maybe this light should be recessed a little more or something. But this thing seems to be okay. Don't seem to really get in the way. But yeah, don't feel it has enough power to need this, but some people may be scared of using the tools. So but yeah, still got 3 bars of charge. I'll let her charge this up so it'll be ready. See if it comes off easy. Okay. A little tight, but I mean it's brand new.
It probably get easier over the years.
But yep, put the little cover on here. Let's see if we can get it all back in the case the way you intended it. Something like that. There's some oil on here.
And then the battery goes right there.
The battery will go there. Let's go here. This was here.
It looks
This
like
was in here.
it looks like they have a slot for an extra battery, or that's just a slot.
Yeah,
for
I
all
think
the
if
other
you
stuff.
got another battery, you could just stick it there.
Yeah.
She was under the impression it came with 2 batteries, but I don't know. Put it there. Safety glasses are there. Nice clamps. The sticker's coming off again.
Yeah,
It
that's,
looks nice. It's a good textured sticker.
yeah,
It's just not, I don't know, maybe they didn't make sure the case was clean.
that's the dog in the background.
Nothing seems to be jumbling around. That's quality case.
Can you choking herself? Yeah.
Yep.
Honey, what you don't know how to walk? Darn, I gotta do that. You're so excited.
All right.
Yeah, that's what it is. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay.